You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day, losing yourself in time. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taking me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive the past and simply be mine. So I tell you to let me be your one and only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on and give me the chance to prove that I'm the one who can walk the mile until the end starts. If I've been on your mind, you handle every word I say. It's yours a time. Not to mention all my name, will I ever know how it feels to hold you close and have you tell me whichever road I choose to go. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive the past and simply be mine. So I tell you to let me be one and only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on and give me the chance to prove that I'm the one who can walk the mile until the end starts. Giving up your heart. I know it ain't easy giving up your heart. I know it ain't easy giving up your heart. I know it ain't easy giving up your heart. So I tell you to let me be your one and only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on and give me the chance to prove that I'm the one who can walk the mile until the end. So come on and give me a chance to prove